In a prior video entitled Artificial Gravity Demonstration, we demonstrated the first example of human-made gravity using the new theories of motion described in my book. A review of this experiment is provided as follows. Gravity on. Gravity on. In my prior video, I described how the artificial gravity is caused by the fact that the air can only move in one direction at a time, causing a shielding effect between the two masses and a net resultant force pushing the balls towards each other. In my book, I describe a precise motion called the spirographic grid that affects all mass in the known universe. This spirographic motion has a directional bias. It is a right-hand bias. That is the cause of such directional phenomenon as magnetic induction and other forces that we see in nature. This new theory on the fundamental nature of the universe includes two types of motions. One is called dynamic motion, and this is a motion related to the proven fact that we are both translating and rotating through space at extremely high velocity and constantly changing directions. One example of the dynamic motion is our rotation around the center of the Earth and around the Sun and around our galaxy around another center point out there, and so on and so forth. So there's a constant velocity and changing of directions that contributes to gravity and other forces. The other type of motion is called corporal motion. Corporal motion is the motion of a mass relative to some medium, such as the water in our gravity experiment here. This theory obviously conjures up ideas of an ether, and rightfully so. The ethereal component of our universe must be returned to the mainstream science, and the historical significance of this issue is an important part of the theories and stories contained in this book. My new theory also describes three types of energies which are mathematically defined in this new book. And those include kinetic energy, which we know, potential energy, which we know, but also a new form of energy called transformic energy. A new mathematical expression for transformic energy is contained in this book, which makes E equals mc squared obsolete. And this is a simple derivation that average high school kid could follow. From these and other fundamental concepts described in this new book, all natural phenomenon can be explained, including the four known forces of nature. So I encourage you to get a copy of this book or e-book version of this through Amazon.com or the website shown here. Thank you for watching our video.